Okay, this is Joe with Fun on the Homestead. I'm going to show you a trick. Well, I'm going to show you how to repair one of these. If you have a car that doesn't have an actual key and you have to have one of these, it's for Fords. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this. You can go to, we'll link you in a description over here to my other video on how to start your car instead of having to pay a dealer without a battery in this. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this keypad. Okay, they call it a fob. Okay, now you'll go to start your car, you go to hit the button and it'll say no key detected. Okay, 90% of the time it's because the battery is dead, so it doesn't read this. Okay, there's like little antennas, you have to be like within 3 feet of the car. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Just get yourself a screwdriver or a little knife. In this case I have my little knife. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to pop this open. You got a keypad right here. Okay, you got like a spare key for like getting into your trunk and doors. Okay, but there's a little spot on here, right here. You just put a little screwdriver or a little knife and pop it open. Okay. Now there's your battery. Okay, the battery just kind of sits in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take the new battery, I'm gonna put it in there. Now it's gonna be at like an angle, but when you put your cover on, it's got like an indentation, which is gonna press that battery down. Okay, you see how it kind of flips up. So you just put the new battery, make sure you put, hang on, make sure you put this end down. Okay, the smaller end down, the bigger end up. Now, oh, that's the other thing I wanted to say. The battery is a 2032. Okay, it's a 2032. So positive side up, this is a positive side, negative side down. You put the battery in there and it'll just kind of lean. You got a little tab in there you want it to be against. Okay, and then you put your cover on. Oh, wrong way. You got little indentations right here, and they slide into the end here. And then you just push. It'll click just like that. And then you put your key back in. So what you do, okay, sometimes you have to reset this. Okay, what you can try, I've heard people say, on my vehicle I haven't had a problem. Just replace the battery, it reads it fine. On some vehicles you have to reset the computer. Okay, and from my understanding all you have to do is disconnect the positive end on your battery cable to your battery, let it sit for like 10 minutes, reconnect it, and then go out there and start it. It should reset. Instead of, a lot of people, these things will go dead and then you're paying a tow bill to the dealer and all they're doing is replacing a battery. So I hope this helps somebody, from our family to your family. Like, subscribe, join us on Facebook, and this is Joe with Fun on the Homestead. You guys have a good day.